I am not planning on going back. My teeth are so smooth and clean that my toothbrush actually squeaks across them.
Yeah, to be able to feel your teeth, not feel any plaque on them, this is the best product ever, absolutely ever.
I was talking to somebody and they recommended that I try this, and I'm like skeptical, but I did, and I cannot believe the results I got.
My dentist has been extremely impressed with what he's seen with my teeth.
Even after my first use of this, I could tell right away that my teeth were so much cleaner than the toothpaste could ever get my teeth.
My sensitivity in my mouth has definitely gone down.
Last night I could chew gum on this side. First time in years.
They were whiter, my breath was fresher.
And I highly recommend the powder to anyone.
Okay, all I can say is this stuff really works well. The combination of stuff he puts in here is amazing.
Then I would say you better come and get some.